Hey, never underestimate jogging as good exercise. It's a good way to start your morning. Like you get it's like you get your blood flowing, your heart beating, lungs working. You just feel energized and refreshed. So I saw it as a good opportunity. I saw it this morning as a good opportunity to stop procrastinating and just make a video. I mean, this is perfect time to kind of like review last year and like look forward to the new year. But most importantly, what is important about now is that the most important thing now is to thank you guys for them not letting me be great at all. So as I was saying, I think it's a good time to like thank you guys for the support that I would have gotten last year. Upon recording this video, for a few days now we passed the 100 subscriber limit. So I have to thank you guys so much. As enough people say 100 subscriber, that's nothing, but me personally I really appreciate it because it proves that at least some people like the content that I produce and the content that I so love to share. Just looking back at 2019, you know, it's cliche for at like the beginning of the year for people to make like resolutions and things that they hope to achieve, you know, like new year new me kind of thing. But last year I made a lot of resolution. There were a lot of things that I wanted to change. I got the major ones, like the major ones that I wanted to achieve. I achieved them. So like one of the first major, I would say major resolutions that I have would have been to like socialize more, and I think I really achieved that. For the duration of 2019 I actually stepped out of my comfort zone and I socialized more. I met more people, you know. So in that regard I think that was good. The second major goal would have been like creating greater bonds. So while I said I was out socializing more, I aimed to create greater bonds with the people that I value, not the people that value me, with the people that want to see me grow, the persons that encourage growth and are actually happy when I grow. That's the thing I think a lot of us kind of tend to forget, that we should surround ourselves with people that are interested in seeing us grow and want us to. We're kind of afraid to like take ourselves out of toxic relationships because we think say toxic relationships means say it's good because you have to fight hard for it. I mean, in some cases it is so, but you know, yeah, you're not afraid, as in it's your life, you know, your story. Nobody can have the same story as you. So do your thing, don't make people tell you what and what you can't do or what is acceptable. You know what I mean there? Yeah man, them little thing there. The persons that I hang around with, some I've known for my lifetime, some I've known for past decade, some for less than that, some for a few months. But yeah, just surrounded myself with people that mean me good and people that I value and value me. The third major goal that I had set for myself would have been exercise. No, I think this is the only goal that I might have fell short on, you know, exercise. Like there were spells where I was actually exercising and doing well, you know, them way they like for all like 2 months and so, but it wasn't really consistent. So that is something that I intend to change. So yo, like the place just get crowded and people just look for me, but I guess that's something I have to work on for the new year, you know. Confidence with the camera, not caring about what people think as this car passes. Greetings. You know, just not caring and stop being so self-conscious about doing this, because I love doing it. I love sharing with you guys. So the fourth major goal would have been YouTube. Started back in high school. It started with me posting this one. It was a simple video, but as in my classmates, they loved the video. I love the fact that I created something and they enjoyed it. Man, the chapel. I've actually never been in this garden around here before. Probably I just walk through now. So yeah, so for 2020 I didn't make a lot of resolutions. I kept them more realistic, more aimed at improving me as a person, creating a more holistic lifestyle. Actually, I feel like I'm gonna go around there. Morning, chief. That's up. The park part has to open. The park area has to open. Yeah, just walk down here, so. Alright, respect. Yeah? Yeah, man. So, as I say, 5 major areas where I would like to improve. Yeah, the first one would be health, I would say. Saying that improving health and improving my lifestyle through health, if that makes sense. So yeah, so that's why you see me out and running now. I'm not normally the person to get up and like jog and everything there, but I'm seeing where it's very refreshing, so I guess it's something I could adapt in my lifestyle. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, I've actually never been here before. In a healthier lifestyle. So this healthier lifestyle, this entails how I eat, stop eating so much oily foolishness, what I drink, being healthier with what I consume. For like a month last 2019, especially the latter part of the year, where I went 100%, the only thing I drank was water for that period, and I saw some benefits. So I guess that's something I can adopt into this year, more consistently, more effectively. So yeah, a healthier lifestyle, exercising, gym, continue with my activities like swimming, kickboxing that I pick up. Yeah, just them things that, creating a healthier lifestyle. Second category for me would be social. Creating a greater bonds and socializing with more people. Even though I'm socializing with more people, I'm creating greater bonds with the people that are close to me and the people that are relevant to my well-being. I'm gonna narrow it down to if I can meet one person a day for like the regular work or school weeks. Oh, I feel like I should go around on that side there. I think around this of the pond there, but this is cool. It's very cool. So the third category would be financial, where I plan to I need to handle finances better, like for real. Like I really need to learn good financial management, how to manage money so that, that's not look too promising. I'm gonna go back. How to manage money. I really need to learn more money, handling the money that I have properly so that it lasts and it is spent effectively. That's the thing. Stop squandering money. So yeah, financial. School. Yeah, the fourth one would have been school. I am a student, so school is very important to me. It's very expensive. It's very demanding, but I guess it's just up to me to manage and maintain it, and make sure I do what I do when I'm supposed to do it, and get this thing done. I mean, it's easier than it sounds. It sounds easier than it really is, but all I really need to do, I just do what I do when I do it and get the work done. Really need to cut out is this lazy behavior, this procrastinating, especially the procrastinating when it comes towards schoolwork. I have to get that out of the way if I go, fulfill this goal or unleash the full academic potential. So yeah, school. And then the final area where I would like to see improvements is, you guessed it, YouTube. In last year when I said I wanted to do YouTube again, like
revitalize.
I think I actually achieved that, you know. As I say, we reached the 100 subscriber mark. You're supposed to tired for me say that, but so the clan is 103 strong at time of recording, and I intend to, by the end of the year, improve those numbers, you know. So get it up there, so the more people I can share a little bit of my life with, the better, you know, because the more people I see it there, I love that. Importantly, to be consistent, because I think consistency is key. Like in everything, consistency is key. I said it so much time. 2020 a different thing, you know. 2020 vision we are see clearer, so we are get that's cliche, that's crazy. We are gonna post the weekly. The hell? Oh, I just somebody come on. So we are gonna post the weekly vlogs. Like everything we mentioned comes down to time management, so I really need to like schedule my thing. That's it, you know, just scheduling the content, getting it done weekly. Oh wow, this is the first me I come on the pond. Like I've seen pictures of it and thing, but at the first me I come the side, yeah. So I gotta just work on some B-roll. Call it a day. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you guys for the support that I have been getting, the support I got last year, and all the support that you're going to give this year to the new viewers. Feel free to subscribe, join the clan, you know. You can go watch the old videos, because this is a different video from what I normally do. So go watch the old video, then nothing wrong. And if you like what you see, subscribe, share, like, you know, tell a friend. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. We'll get some beer.